In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Steam Deck stuck on logo. So the first thing that you would like to do, sometimes the Steam Deck is installing updates. So the first thing is just wait. Wait about 5 minutes before trying anything else. If it never gets past the logo, then you can continue. So the first thing, if you waited for maybe an example 5-10 minutes, nothing happens, just try to force restart the Steam Deck. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds and wait until the screen turns completely off. Then press the power button again and turn it back on. This should fix any or many temporary boot issues if you have some. If you've tried that before and still haven't worked, you would like to go and open your boot manager. If it's still stuck, just turn on or turn the Steam Deck completely off. Then hold the volume down button. While holding it, press the power button. Release the volume down when the boot manager appears. If SteamOS is listed, select it from that list, then press A to boot from the SteamOS. If SteamOS won't boot, you would like again to turn off the Steam Deck off, hold the volume up and press the power button, and then release the volume up when the recovery menu appears. You'd like to open the menu of the recovery. From there, you can access recovery options. And if the problem started after an update, of course, or maybe a system error, just go and create the SteamOS recovery USB using another computer. And you'd like to boot the Steam Deck from the recovery drive, then choose to reinstall the SteamOS first. Reinstalling SteamOS usually keeps your personal files, while re-image Steam Deck erases everything. So that's how you fix a Steam Deck stuck on the logo page. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.